Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about collection and organization of data. Few points to remember. Data, a collection of numerical figures giving some particular type of information is called data. Arranging the data in a systematic form in the form of a table is called tabulation of the data. Data obtained in the original form is called raw data. Arranging the numerical figures of a data in ascending or descending order is called an array. Each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called its frequency. Mean. The mean is the average which we are used to when we add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. So formula, mean is equal to sum of the given observation divided by number of given observation. How to find tally mark? Tally mark is the group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the group of 5. So, like for example, if there is 7, the frequency is 7. What is frequency? Number of students. If there is 7, so to make the tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6, 7, the other group starts. This way we will make the tally mark. Now example to find out mean. The height of 7 players in a group are, see the total number of players 7. The height is given, it will be 7 heights. 7 students' heights are given. So sum of the height, we will add up all the heights together, we get 1190. And number of players 7. So mean is equal to sum of the height divided by number of players. We get 170 centimeter. So the mean height of the given players is 170 centimeter. Example 2. When weight is given and number of workers are more. So 60 kg weight 4 workers, 63 kg weight 3 workers, 66 kg weight 2 workers, 69 kg weight 2 workers and 72 kg weight for one worker. So this children, first weight, it is written xi, number of workers f, that is frequency. We have to calculate fx. Fx means multiply 60 into 4. 63 into 4, 66 into 2, 69 into 2 and 72 into 1. Add up all these numbers, we get frequency sigma fi. Then add up all this, we get sigma fx. So the formula to find mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So is equal to 771 divided by 12. We get 64.250 kg. This is your answer. Now median. The median is the middle number in a sorted ascending or descending list of numbers and can be more descriptive of that data set than the average. To formula, first we have to arrange in ascending order. Then we have to see number of observation is even or odd. If it is odd, so median is the value of at position n plus 1 by 2. And if it is even, we have to find out the value of position first n by 2, then n plus 1 by 2 and then average of these two values. First example, when my frequency is odd, So first see marks obtained and number of students. When we arrange it, after arranging, we have to find out cumulative frequency. How to find out cumulative frequency? 15 marks obtained by 3 students, that is 3. Now 17. It is not 17, it is under 17. How many students are coming? 8. So 8. So under 20, how many students? All this together. 3 plus 5 plus 9. Then again 22. Number of students add up till 4. This way we complete and we get 37 students, which is an odd number. So median of marks 37 plus 1 by 2 gives you 19. So 19 lies under 21. So my median is 22. Mode. Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most time, means maximum time. Formula to find mode: 3 multiplied median minus 2 multiplied mean. So whatever question we get, first we will find out mean, multiply it with 3. We have to find out, multiply with the median, and then we have to find out mean also, multiply with 2. Then subtract it. The answer we get is mode. One simple example. The marks obtained by 11 students of a class in a test are given below. We have to find out the model marks, that is mode. So arrange it in the ascending order. See the maximum time, the number obtained. The marks obtained maximum time is 23. So my model marks is 23. This is your answer. So children, hope it's clear. Thank you children.